Alright, hey guys, welcome again to Fire Alarms and Such, and it is time for some more fun with the door holder. Yeah, there's now an emergency exit stopper station here by STI. This is a really cool piece of equipment. I want to get one that the cover is the fire lettering, but this was a good place to start. I think it's really cool. Now, why is this up and what does it have to do with the door holder? Well, this way, I can close the door without, ripping it off the wall. I can't even pull it off the magnet. Sometimes we need this door shut. Sometimes we're working in there or working out here and we can't have airflow between. Or in the case of a tornado alarm, that's not the right word. Tornado warning, this door has to be shut. So when I put the door holder in, we could no longer shut this door without either going into the panel and ripping out wires or pulling the fire alarm. Now we can. I have this wired up in a normally closed circuit. That means that the electricity is actually actively flowing through the switch and up to the door. But if I push it, it will cut power to the door and the door will close without having to go through the panel at all, like so. Door closes. So now the magnet is, ooh, something's vibrating. Oh, don't look at those. That's a surprise for tomorrow. Gotta get my keys because it takes that special STI tool. So get that. So you just put your STI tool in, button pops out, and now the magnet is re-energized. But if you push it, there they go. Yeah. So, stuff for my birthday is finally starting to roll in. So we're going to be having some fun soon. So, thank you guys for watching. And as always, have a wonderful day. It's just not as fun as an alarm.